Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant VAN9003 UEFI error. Start by pressing the Windows key and R on your keyboard. A small box will appear. Type MSInfo32 and press Enter. This opens the System Information window. Look for two values. The first one is BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, that part is correct. If it says Legacy, then you will need to change it later. Now look for Secure Boot State. If it says On, then Secure Boot is already enabled. If it says Off or Unsupported, you will also need to fix that. If any of these settings are not correct, restart your computer. As it boots, press the key that opens your BIOS or UEFI menu. Once inside the BIOS, look for the boot menu. Find boot mode and set it to UEFI if it is on Legacy. Then, look for Secure Boot. If Secure Boot is disabled, change it to Enabled. When you finish, choose Save and Exit. Your computer will restart and apply the new settings. If everything is now correct, try launching Valorant. The VAN9003 error should be gone. Thanks for watching.